Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I upload DIYs and interior design content. My name is Ashley and this is Interior.break. Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys a couple of interior design disaster that drives me crazy inside of your home. I am also going to be eating because it is currently 2 o'clock. And I still haven't had any breakfast. So I was like, we gonna do like a mukbang. I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna do one of those things where I'm gonna be eating because your girl is hungry. So I'm having breakfast and I'm having my favorite, which is sausages and French toast with some bananas because you gotta be somewhat healthy. All right, and then I have my iced coffee here that I'm extremely excited about. So we're just gonna get right into it, okay? I just wanna say, guys, that these are my opinions. Not every interior designer thinks like this. This is just how I feel when I walk into your home and I see this type of shit inside of your house. Excuse my French, but girl, I need to eat because I am hungry. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a voiceover over this because I did that thing where I ramble, and to just shorten what I said. Basically, I feel like clutter is a huge thing in kitchen, especially on top of your fridge and all over your countertops, and when people have their appliances all out. It can give the illusion that you're messy and unorganized, and I'm pretty sure it's really hard to cook and function when you have no countertop space. So my number one thing is on how to fix this is to find storage boxes. You can find really cute storage boxes that you can put on top of your fridge, or like a cute basket that you can put in your kitchen, and just store all of your clutter inside of these boxes, especially if you're not an organized type of person. Number two, become an organized type of person. Organization saves your life. It's healthy. You can be more functionable. You're a little bit more motivated. An unorganized house is an unorganized brain. That's how I look at it. If you want some tips on organization, I can definitely do a video on that. Let me know down below if you guys would be interested in that. My house is extremely organized. Also, with your appliances, you don't need them all out, especially for people with small kitchens. You really don't need all of them out. Try taking another cupboard or drawer and putting all your appliances in them. I'm gonna show you guys what I do at home. I don't have all my appliances out. I don't see the reason to, especially if I don't use them every day. So put them away so that one, you have more counter space. Two, it doesn't create clutter, because clutter does not look cute. It's dysfunctional. I don't know how you guys function on this, and I'm sorry, but I see this like 80% of the time in someone's home, and I'm judging you. Period, sis. Interior design disaster that I see in your home that drives your girl absolutely crazy. And this is furniture sets. When they all match together, like too matchy, it literally looks like you went to IKEA or you went to the Brick or any furniture store and you literally bought what they told you to buy. Most people probably have this set inside of their space, so it's not unique. Two, it's not personalized. It doesn't tell me a story or your character. Like, switch it up. Buy from different stores. Buy different styles. Create your personality in your room, especially in your room where you sleep at night. But don't forget, you want it to be balanced and coexist with each other. You want to keep a balance in the color, the texture, the style. You don't want to become completely all over the place in your choice of furniture, but you also don't want to be too matchy where it lacks personality. So try to find that perfect balance. Is that my hair? Oh my god, that's my hair. My hair's been sticking up this whole time. Let's talk about an interior design disaster that's more about function. This is something that a lot of people make a mistake of, and then they put all their furniture against the wall. So their couch is on the wall, their accent chairs are on the wall, tables on the wall, everything's on the wall, their bed on one side of the wall. This is something a lot of people fall in this trap, and we need to get out of it. Like, how to fix this? Remove your couch from the wall, center it. It's same thing with your bed. Your bed should be your focal point inside of a bedroom. When you have your stuff all against the wall, it actually makes your room smaller than it actually is. And I can give you guys a couple of examples. Even in a space that I was working in before, he had his couch on the wall, and like it made such a huge difference when we removed it and we actually created a pathway with his couch. What a lot of people do is they take their couch and they center it, and then they're like, okay, what do I put behind it? Put a beautiful console table in the back, and put some cute decor pieces. I promise you it's gonna look hella cute. Take your accent chairs off of the wall, center them, create a conversational circle. And if you don't know what that is, it's when you have all of your seating arrangements in the shape of a circle, or even like a U-shaped circle. And what that does is create conversation when you have people over. It's a way to go, especially if you're the type of person to host like how I am. I hate to see family photos all over your place. I feel like it invites your guests to walk around your house and be like, oh, this picture is right here. Oh, look at this one. Let me keep walking. Oh, is that your little niece and nephews? Keeps walking. Oh, that's your uncle? Oh my gosh. Now you're all over my house. No, what I would highly suggest to fix this is to create a gallery wall. Create maybe one cabinet or shelf with all of your pictures. What you can do is trade them in and out with each other. You know, every month you like trade them out. My baby just wants attention. I love you. Yeah, doesn't need to be every single room and like all these different frames, and you know, especially the ones around your TV. Like, it's distracting. Just find one place to put them all. Find these like cute albums. Like, Winners have some really, really cute albums for like 12 bucks, 16 bucks. And like, put them all in there. So if you do want to show people, one, they're not walking around your house. Two, they can just sit down on your couch and you show them, oh, remember this, how cute is this? Like, leave it like that. Yes, boo-boo. I have a needy dog. Honestly, mommy's filming. What do you want? What? Okay. You stay there. So this one is when your curtains don't touch the flooring. I feel like this one has been mentioned so. Okay, my dog is really like really coming for me. No, but if you come up here, you're gonna sit here. Let me tell you this straight. I'm not gonna waste any more time. What you're supposed to do, first of all, is measure your ceiling to your floor when buying curtains. You're supposed to try to hang up your curtain more closer towards your ceiling. You don't want it in the air. You want it just touching your flooring and like just glazing on your floors. You don't want it way too long, and you definitely don't want it short. I'd rather get it longer and hem it up than have it way too short and it's a total mess. I saw this the other day and I was like, I thought by now everybody knows this, but apparently not. So I'm gonna say it in this video one more time for you guys. Please hang up your curtains properly. There's a lot more on this list, but if I keep going, this video will never end. And as you can see, my food is done. I'm done. I'm good. It's probably already a long video. Look at this one. Where are you going? Just look. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Oh, don't choke on me. Okay. So What was I saying? You distracted me, boo-boo. Oh, here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much if you made it this far into the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and the videos that I have planned for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at interior.break. Also follow my partner at Build with Joe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Dun, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum.